Hello my friends, so today on the show we have a couple of phones to look at. First of all, we have the new TECNO CAMON 12 Pro, and then we also have the TECNO Phantom 9, which is going to be compared against the new TECNO CAMON 12 Pro. And then finally we have the TECNO CAMON 11, which is the predecessor device of the TECNO CAMON 12 Pro. So basically, I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky winner. It could be you, it could be me, I don't know. But in any case, make sure to stick around and of course, welcome to the show. Before I get into this video proper, I think it is important for me to mention that as at the time of making this video, this phone is actually a couple of weeks away from launch. But the phone got sent to me by Techno Mobile because I was supposed to go on a photo assignment, where I create images, shots on this mobile phone, and then these images will be exhibited at the launch of this device in Lagos. Do you guys even understand? I hope so. So basically this phone came exactly like this. It didn't come in any box or even any accessories to go with it. It actually had everything written in Chinese. But nevertheless, I think I can go on ahead and make my, quick review of the CAMON 12 Pro. So to the physical appearance of the device, it is pretty much similar with older Techno devices. To the right hand side, we have the volume rockers and the power button. And then to the bottom corner, we have the headphone jack, the USB and charging port, and then the speaker grills. And then to the left hand side of the phone, we have this orange accent button, which I think pretty much powers your Google Assistant. And then we have your SIM and memory card slots. To the key features of the CAMON 12 Pro, we have a 6.4 AMOLED display with an HD resolution of 720 by 1548. And yeah, I know that is a drop from what we had on the TECNO Phantom 9. And for the camera, we have a triple camera setup, just like what we had on the TECNO Phantom 9, but of course it's an upgrade from the predecessor TECNO CAMON 11 Pro. So we have a 16 megapixel primary camera, also accompanied by a secondary 2 megapixel camera and then another 8 megapixel camera. This camera respectively serves as a standard camera, a super ultra wide camera, and then a macro and bokeh effects camera. And then on the front side, we have a whooping 32 megapixel AI selfie camera. Talking about battery, we have a 4000 mAh battery on the CAMON 12 Pro, which I think is pretty impressive considering that the Phantom 9 only stopped at a 3.5 mAh battery. And to be sincere, the Phantom 9 battery is pretty solid, but it wasn't as solid as what I got when I was using the CAMON 11 Pro. So the CAMON 12 Pro coming at 4000 mAh battery only means that it's going to give me more battery life than what I'm currently getting on the TECNO Phantom 9. And talking about the operations of the device, like how they get to do their things that they do, the device comes with 6 GB of RAM and then 64 GB of storage, internal storage, but of course you can expand with your micro SD card. Basically, I think those are the key features of the CAMON 12 Pro, and then if I'm to go on ahead and compare it to the TECNO Phantom 9, I can say that the CAMON 12 Pro is a little wider like in size, but then it is also slimmer, and funny enough, it's actually a lighter device, like not so much of a difference, but it actually feels lighter in hand compared to the TECNO Phantom 9. Also, at the back of the device, the CAMON 12 Pro seems to have like this a little curvier design, so it actually makes it more pretty looking. I think it would be a thing of choice here, but for me personally, if I'm to pick between the two in terms of beauty, I think I would kind of like gear towards the CAMON 12 Pro because the curved nature of it just really makes it more, enticing to hold. And then talking about the camera side of both devices, which obviously this is the part I am most interested in. And you guys remember, like I said earlier, I had already gone out to do like a photo operation using the TECNO CAMON 12 Pro. I can already tell that the CAMON 12 Pro actually takes better images than the Phantom 9, even though the specs are exactly the same thing. But that's not to say the Phantom 9 does not take amazing images, but as a photographer, I can see those little changes or little differences between both devices, and I think the TECNO CAMON 12 is just a better option. So I'm saying this because if your decision for buying either of those devices is solely based on the camera, then I think the TECNO CAMON 12 Pro would actually be a better fit for you. So to the most interesting part of this video, which I think is the reason most of you are here anyway, the TECNO CAMON 11 Pro giveaway. So I should mention that it is not exactly a new device. I used to use this device as my primary device at some point, but it wasn't for a long period of time, and the device is still in a perfect working condition. As you guys can see, I even still have the pack and a couple of accessories with me. So the reason I'm giving this device away is because this channel just crossed 1000 subscribers, which I am very excited about. 1000 is a very big deal for small creators, so I'm very grateful to all of you guys who have been watching and supporting this channel. Also, as at the time of me making this video, it is just 1 night to my birthday. Like, my birthday is literally the next day of which I'm making this video right now. Anyway, everything is just pretty much set up for me to do a giveaway right now, so I am just in the mood, I believe. So how to win is pretty much simple. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Comment in the comment section the reason why you think you deserve to win this Camon 11 Pro, and at the end of 1 week I'll pick a random winner and I'll send the device to you wherever you are. And then also make sure to follow me on my social media channels, Instagram and Twitter, link in the description. I think that will also increase your chances of winning the device. So good luck to you guys. Alright guys, so thank you, that's been it. The Techno Camon 12 Pro quick review and first impressions, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Apart from making videos like this, I also make a lot of travel vlogs and documentaries, so you guys can totally have a great time watching a couple of my older videos. And once again, thank you guys for watching. My name is Khalid and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.